Alright guys, quick hit on how I stage my gloves. Of course we prefer nitrile, longer cuff is better, bright colors, purple, pink, green, things like that. Black doesn't show you colors very well. So what I do is first I give them a little stretch. This just kind of helps flatten them out. I want to make sure that nothing is stuck together. It doesn't happen too often with nitrile, but I want them to be flat. Alright, and I pick one side to put the thumbs on. You're going to stack both gloves on top of each other the same way. Alright, so we'll get that there. Quick stretch. You see that helps flatten them out a little bit. So fold the thumbs over just like you would folding a t-shirt with long sleeves. Flip up at the bottom of the fingers so that they're all together, and then simply roll them up. Doesn't need to be super tight. A little loose actually helps keep everything together once you're done. From here, you'll notice you have the two cuffs on the outside. From the outermost cuff, pinch it so it separates. You're going to tuck this around the rest. Alright, this is going to put the wrist around the fingers and palms, which are the part you need to be most protected. Alright, that way they don't have any holes. And then this goes inside of a bag, kit, ankle rig, whatever you got going on. That just helps protect them. They're neat. When you get ready to deploy them, you simply pinch, push them out, and there's your gloves ready to go.